Alright, controversial video time. Here we go. I've been wanting to do this video for a long time, but I haven't done it because I don't want to upset anyone. That's never my intention, you know. But I feel like a lot of people need to hear this because I get a lot of messages about how they've bought in the Giant Games and they bought in a photo booth or whatever it is, the car wash business, whatever it is, anything I've ever taught. And they say that they're not successful. And it's always the people that say they've been doing it for a week, 2 weeks tops. It's never past 2 weeks. And then I ask, well, how much time have you put into the business? Like how much time do you spend a week or during the week or two that you've been doing it? How much time have you put in to build your business, to make Facebook ads, Craigslist, to reach out to other, you know, people in your field, to network? And it's always like 30 minutes, an hour. And they're like, yeah, I put in like maybe like 45. It blows my mind every time. I can understand that, you know, because maybe I make it seem easy online, and you know, the videos that's always talking about the positive things, and the reality of it is that I'm obsessed with my business, right? The photo booth business in particular. I absolutely love it, and I'll tell you, I do about maybe 15 to maybe 20 hours a week just trying to get jobs, just trying to get events. And that's why we've been fully booked and why our year is looking very good, is because I put in the work to get jobs later in the year. And now we're at a point to where we're getting referrals because we've done so many events. That's where I can pull back a little bit on that, on the, you know, the 20 hours a week. And I'm like finding myself now maybe just doing half of that, to be honest, because we've done so many events and I've already put the work in. But right away, it didn't happen like that. It wasn't like I bought a photo booth 2 weeks ago and I'm like now super successful or anything. It's not even like that. So, you know, if this is you started, you have a booth and you're not getting events, seriously, look yourself in the mirror and say, am I doing enough? I mean, look, if you have a full-time job, 40 hours a week, you're selling 40 hours of your time to your job. Why aren't you selling yourself at least 10 hours a week? I mean, I'm sure there's a small amount of people that literally don't have that time, but I would say maybe about 90% of people do. And if that's you, you need to put that time in. Because, you know, the people that complain to me and they say that it's not working out, they don't have websites. I go to their social media because I'm curious. I actually feel bad because you buy something because of me and you're not successful. It makes me feel bad. I'm like, well, is my information not right, or like what's going on? No, it turns out that their Instagrams, their Facebooks, 1 or 2 posts, 10 likes, 6 likes, like it's never anything astounding, right? You cannot build a business and network with people and all you have to show for your business is 2 photos on an Instagram page. No wonder you're not getting hired. It's not gonna work out for you. So you have to put the time in, you have to get obsessed, you have to, you know, I truly think that most people in this business that are the most successful are obsessed and they eat, breathe, and sleep their business. I'm not saying you have to give up everything and only do that, but here's a little challenge. How about this? I challenge everyone watching this video, put in at least 5 hours a week. Sell yourself 5 hours of your own time. Do that for a month, and if it's not working out for you, then maybe the approach is different, you need to change it up. But I am almost certain that you'll see some type of results. I'm not saying that you'll close, you know, because this video isn't about closing deals, it's about getting leads. And maybe I'll probably make some more videos soon about how to close a deal when you're approached about that. But yeah, that's my challenge, 5 hours a week. And you know, that could be an hour, definitely an hour of building your social media presence. You know, at least 5 swipes. No. Let's start it off. For the first week, spend an hour to give yourself at least 3 solid swipes of Instagram content. Because if you're reaching out to, I'm telling you, if you're reaching out to an event planner and you have 2 photos, they're not gonna hire you. They're not gonna present their bride and groom that is paying them a bunch of money, a photo booth company that has 2 posts. That's all they have to show for it. and a ring light setup. You guys, it's just, no, it's not gonna happen. So 5 hours challenge, let's get to it. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, and I will see you guys soon.